children, welcome back to another exciting session with Risha ma'am. So today's class is about phonics again. And what is the topic of the day? We are going to learn about vowel teams. Vowel teams, what are they? Let's have a look now. So children, look here. This is a vowel teams chart. Now can anybody tell me what are the 5 vowels we have? The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Yes, good job. But in phonics, sometimes we may also require the letter W and Y, which are considered to be vowels because they make a single sound. Okay. Now, vowel teams. What are vowel teams? Vowel teams are those combination of vowels which have different characteristics. They are divided into 3 types. And the first one we call them vowel digraphs. We have 7 vowel digraphs. Next, vowel pairs. We have 9 vowel pairs. And then we have vowel diphthongs. We have 4 vowel diphthongs. Now first is about vowel digraphs. Vowel digraphs are these vowel sounds which when blended together will make a new sound. When you blend 2 vowel sounds together, when they are going to make a new sound altogether, we call them vowel digraphs. I have already uploaded this video about vowel digraphs in my previous session. You can go back and check on YouTube saying vowel digraphs Risha ma'am class. You will be able to see that video. In today's class, we are going to learn about vowel pairs. How many vowel pairs do we have? We have 9 vowel pairs. Now, what are vowel pairs? So children, vowel pairs are those blends of vowels which sounds the name of the first letter. When you mix 2 vowel pairs, the sound produced by this vowel pair is the name of the first letter, not the sound. For example, what is the vowel pair sound of this A and I? Is A, E, E, I, O, U. Okay, these are the 9 sounds of vowel pairs which walking together makes the name of the first letter. So let's see some examples to make you understand about vowel pairs clearly, okay? So, for those who are interested in enrolling to our phonics classes, children, we have online phonics classes for kids who are in KG1, KG2, Class 1, Class 2 and Class 3 as well. So, the details are given on the screen here. You can get in touch with us to enroll to our online preschool and phonics classes. Okay. So, now let's get into the vowel pairs concept. Okay, children. We have, as I told to you, 9 vowel pairs. And what is the definition of vowel pair? What is the rule of vowel pair? Vowel pairs are those vowel blends when blended together makes the sound of the name of first letter. When blended together gives the name of first letter is the sound for this vowel pair. So let's get into some examples so it will be clear about vowel pairs. Okay, come on children here. What is the sound of this vowel blend? As I told you, it has to be the name of first letter. What is the name of this letter? A. So yes, this blend makes the sound A, E, U, E, A, I, E, O, O. How easy it is to understand the vowel pairs, yes? So let's get deeper into the examples now, okay? Now come on children, when you see a combination of A and I in between the words, you have to pronounce them or you have to read them as A only, as in tray, in wait, pain, A sound. Next, it is me. Here we have, okay, fine. Here we have E, as in read. And did you see these two words here? Fear, gear, air sound is also coming. No, ear, as in hear, ea, hear, right? So these are controlled words. So that is a different chapter. Okay, because I wanted to clear it with one example here, because you shouldn't have that confusion of this is not matching with some words, because those some words which doesn't follow this rule also has another lesson for that, like R controlled words are words ending in R, how to read those. So that's a different lesson in phonics. Okay, so here we are talking about the vowel pairs, which has the rule of taking the sound or the name of the first letter, as in seat. See, here also it is ea, but it is taking the name of this first letter, eat, seat, feet, read, E sound. Yes, did you get it, children? So I wanted to make you clear that there might be some sounds which doesn't match this because of the other rule that will come in the next classes. Okay, so I hope this is clear for you. Key, E is the first letter here. Key. Honey, we are not going to read it as honey. K, right? So you just have to say the name of this first letter, which is E, as in key. Honey. And let's get into this example. As I told to you, what is the pronunciation of this vowel blend? O, because you can see the first letter O here, as in toe, go, goes. Alright, now let's move on to this example. The phonics vowel blend U and E makes the sound U, as in fuel, duel, Q. Next is we have E. The sound is E, it's not A, right? As in meat, C, teeth. It makes the sound E. And what is the sound here now, children? Can you tell me? This is A. AY makes the sound A, as in say, may, day. Okay? And now coming to this one, IE. IE makes the sound I. As I told to you, the vowel pairs always takes the name of the first letter, as in I, lie, tie, die, I at the end. Okay. And what is the last example here? The vowel pair O, A. O, A makes the sound O, as in goat, road, toad. Alright, children, there are some exceptional words like this which doesn't match this rule, has a different rule which can be explained in new classes, like R controlled sounds, words ending in R, and there are so many other rules of those words. Alright, children, so hope today you are very clear with these 9 vowel pairs. So whenever you see these 9 vowel pairs in any word, now you are very much aware of how to pronounce them, isn't it, children? Isn't it so easy and funny to learn the vowel pairs today? You just have to say the name of the first letter whenever you see this combination of blends in between the words. You have to take the name of the first letter. And this is how you have to learn vowel pairs. Now, I would like to show you some examples for this vowel pairs. One more time, for those children who are interested in enrolling to our online preschool classes, I have given the details here in the description box below or on the screen. You can get in touch with me. Now, let's go and check out some examples. If you are enrolling to our online classes, we will be providing you with many worksheets, so many practice exercises, and then there are going to be live classes where we can make sure that your child is learning to read and write phonics very easily and quickly just in 3 months. Okay? So what are you waiting for? Let's get into some examples now. Children, let's look into some examples of vowel pairs now. Okay? This is rain. AI is a vowel pair which makes the sound of the first letter N. as in rain. And the next example we have EA, which makes the first letter name, Eid, as in read. And can you guess the answer here? OA makes the sound O, as in boat. And then we have clay. Sometimes, as I told to you, Y acts as a vowel. Okay. A as in clay. So hope you have really enjoyed learning these vowel diagrams with me today. Alright children, so for those who are interested in enrolling to our online classes which are live, you can get in touch with me. I'll see you again in the next session. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Risha Ma'am's online preschool. Bye children, take care.